Hey guys, Rich here. Welcome back to the RCinformer YouTube channel. Me and Wes are out here today on our new temporary test runway. We're getting ready to glue another row onto it so it's a little wider. But he brought me today the FLIGHTLINE BEARCAT, the F8F BEARCAT. This is a 4-cell powered, really nice little warbird. I have not actually flown this one. I've flown other BEARCATs, but this is really nice. It has a nice fit and finish all the way around it. This is my first time seeing it and holding it, touching it, and flying it. I mean, I've seen them at fields, but never really had one of my own. It has a really nice retractable gear system with spring-loaded doors, it looks like, with these little metal catches, and it has all clevis and Z-bends. I like the Z-bends on there. So it's flaps, retractable gear. Does it have a steerable tail wheel, all that? Yep, everything's set up and good to go. So you said this is 4S powered?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
On a 4S 3000. Right?
This is a discovery flight for me. I'm going to put these down so I can hold this. Make sure I put those out before. Yeah, if you leave these in and you retract the gear, they're spring-loaded. They're not mechanical, so you got to make sure these are out.
Yep.
You know, before you go fly. So I like these hinges. Check that out. Zoom in on that for everybody. That's a real nice hinge. This is like a discovery flight for me, folks, because I haven't really seen these up close too much. Very nice plastic hinge on the flat mechanism there. That's pretty cool. I like that. All right, and then zinc chromate paint on the inside of your wheel wells. Yeah, real nice. And take a look at it. It's got gun detail. Has a very nice finish all the way around. Wes, how do you assemble this thing? Looks like you've got four.
I think it's 6 screws total, and it also comes with the decals pre-applied now.
Okay. It looks like there's a screw here.
There is.
Screw here, screw here, screw here.
Yep, and I think there's 2 or 4.
2 on each side, so 4 for the tail.
Yep.
Looks like there's 2 there, probably with a spar going through.
Yep.
Little cooling hole. That's a tiny cooling hole.
Yep.
Okay. And Wes has it CG'd out already.
Yep.
And
3000 all the way forward in the nose.
Here,
anything lighter than that, you definitely want to add a little nose weight.
Okay, let me pop that in so you can kind of see. I don't know if you can get in on all that.
Yep.
But 3000 or heavier, you said?
Yep.
All the way forward. Okay.
Yeah, it really even goes bigger battery, even better, like a 3500 to 4000.
Okay.
Better.
Okay. So there's plenty of battery space in there. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
You can put a lot of battery in there. So magnetic latch and let's see, 4-bladed prop. That's super scale. That's exactly what the BEARCATs looked like. I think the BEARCAT had an R2800 engine in it, which I think was like the most powerful, 2800 horsepower for a single engine. And I think it was a 13-foot propeller, which I think was like the largest propeller like ever on a single engine. That's what they were trying to do, is make the most powerful thing they could make in a single engine fighter. So, but real nice cockpit, you know, nice detail in there with the zinc chromate seat cover or seat back and all that. So it looks like the retracts are, they're metal, right? With a plastic?
Yep.
Maybe like a plastic cover on them?
They got a plastic cover on to make them white.
All right, let me pull these doors out. Let's go fly.
All right, let's do it.
I've talked enough. I've heard myself talk already, so I forgot my neck strap, but we'll just go with it. So let me do a quick run up here and see how it, okay, that's got some good power.
Oh, yeah.
Can you taxi this on the grass?
You can try.
Let me give it a shot. Let me hold a stick back. You got a low, medium, and high elevator.
Yep. I definitely recommend the mid-rate elevator when you take off.
Yeah, I'm holding my stick back to taxi on the grass here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, good. Let me go medium on the elevator then. Right aileron, left aileron, up, down. I'm gonna taxi back onto the grass again. Okay. Let's try it and see if it'll work. After all,
I know customers fly them off the grass.
Yeah.
You know, you just got to be ready for it. It's got smaller wheels.
There we go. I got it off there. Let me go back to that medium elevator rate. Yep. You said you use a little flap for takeoff, right?
Yeah. She'll jump off in a couple feet. I mean,
right,
this thing.
left, up, down, right, left. There we go. All right, ready?
Yep.
There we go. I just want to get it up there quick.
And you do have a lower elevator rate if you feel like you want it.
Gotcha. Let me get the gear up. I'm flying a Futaba radio today, so that's not something I'm real used to. The switchology and the feel of the radio is a little different. So
yeah, I handed him my Futaba today. He's giving it a shot.
So I'm just kind of, I've always flew Futaba in the past. They're always good radios, but I'm going to that low elevator rate like you just talked about. Let me just get a feel for it a little bit. Like I said, the radio feels different to me because it's a different radio, so I'm just kind of getting a feel for the switch position's a little different too, so I was a little slow getting the gear and flaps up, but seems pretty stable.
Isn't it a sweetie? Yeah, no gyro.
Do you have, oh, there's no gyro in it? Yeah.
It's just the airplane.
Most things I usually don't anyway, so.
And I didn't put any expo in because I know you don't like it.
I'm power off. Just gonna add a little power here. Maybe about a third throttle. Real nice.
Yeah, with the flaps out, this thing crawls.
Yeah, Bearcats were literally bears, man. They had lots and lots and lots and lots of power, so. Might have been one of the most powerful piston twins around, or piston singles made after the war. I don't think it saw service, but I think Korea it saw some service, and you know, probably after that or something, but not during World War II, I don't think. I think it came in a little late for that. Kind of like the Tiger Cat. This is right up there with the F7F Tiger Cat, about the time they came out. So, but yeah, nice. Flies inverted okay?
Oh yeah. It's a real neutral CG right now too, so you don't need a ton of down pressure.
Oh yeah. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah, very smooth.
Very
I need
nice,
nothing.
right?
Yeah, that's very good. Yeah, yeah, I can go with that. Let me try.
This is one of my favorites out of the smaller warbirds.
It's smooth.
Isn't it?
Point roll. Wow, I like this.
Isn't it sweet?
Wow, it really is nice. It's very smooth. I'm going to come down into this notch here. I'm going to drop it right on in here. Full throttle. Disappears in the trees a little bit. Let me get some steep turns out front. Yeah, smooth model. We have a little bit of wind out here.
Yeah.
Not
it's been
too
around
much.
a while, but man, is it a good fly.
But yeah, I mean, for no stabilization in it, yeah, I like that. A little aggressive with it there, wings flexing a little bit. Flexing's okay, braking's not.
Right.
So
I've flown this thing so hard, you can't tear it up.
I'm going to see if I can go kind of deeper with it. I see my shadow on the trees there, and give you sort of a presentation pass out front. Yeah, that wind just got to me.
Yeah.
A little bit there. That's okay though.
A little bit of gust today. You know, and with a gyro, you wouldn't notice it near as much. It's just I didn't put one in there.
Loop it around just to say I did it. Loop. Yeah, it loops nicely. Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, fly them right at 5 minutes. You can go all the way to the end of the timer if you want.
Okay, yeah.
Or if you want to shoot some touch and goes.
I'll shoot some touch and goes. Let me do a. I'm gonna do a half Cuban at the other end here. Let me go full throttle to the end. Low elevator rate for this. We just go to the end with it. Sort of half Cuban roll. Yeah, real nice. Okay, let me brake. Let's get some gear down. Yeah, see the switches are in different positions, or slightly different. It's not.
It took a little bit for me to get used to.
So the alignment of it for me is just weird. Yeah. There we go. Not bad. I'm gonna sort of just take that. I think.
Yeah. Wasn't that nice?
Use the force. Yeah, baby.
That was a really interesting maneuver. What do you call that?
Full elevator rate. You know what I'm gonna have to do? So I went to full elevator rate, and I'm holding. See, I'm holding my stick back.
Yeah.
So it doesn't nose over. Hopefully, let's see if we can get over the end of the runway transition. There we go.
Yep.
I tell you what, Wes, it transitions pretty nice.
Isn't that?
Like we stapled the edge of our runway down, and it seems like, and we didn't even put that many staples in, but it seems like you can taxi on and off like sweet. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
I got another battery if you want to fly it again.
Tell you what, I'm going to leave it at that because we got some runway gluing to do.
Oh, we do. So, we got a lot.
Plus, I just landed a Bearcat on a 10-foot wide runway pretty decently.
That was pretty nice. That was slick.
After never having flown it before. So anyway, it's good. It's but I tell you what, it's handling pretty good on this. Our runway is kind of mushy still because it's got grass and stuff underneath it, but it is settling better now. We were bouncing it in like crazy the other day. So, but yeah, that's nice. I like it. Let's see if I can turn it around. I tell you, it transitions nice. I think the thing is, we got to put enough staples in the edge.
Yep.
So it all kind of curves down. We'll probably do them at least every foot or something. So, but all right, let me get my safety on. All right, guys. Once again, Wes, thanks for bringing this out. This is really nice.
Yeah, no problem.
We're gonna have more motion RC videos and all kinds of stuff out here. So this Bearcat is very nice. I got to admit, it's very cool. I really like the retracts, the way they open and close. That's pretty slick. So, But anyway, yeah, guys, we're gonna have more Flightline and Motion RC videos out here because Wes lives nearby and he's gonna bring stuff out to me to fly and stuff. So stay tuned to the channel. Wes, you got any other comments?
Nah, man, it looked good.
Yeah,
we're ripping her up.
It's very, very nice. So it's actually very tame for a Bearcat. I expected on the takeoff a lot of rudder, Yeah. Because you really got to stay on that rudder when the tail wheel comes up. But on a 10-foot runway, this handled very nicely with no gyro. So really nice model. Anyway, guys, let me let you go. We got work to do. We're gonna start gluing runway material down. Wes, thanks for bringing this out, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to be alerted to new videos coming out. I'll put the link for this below. So if you guys want one of these, I'll stick the link in the description box. You can check it out at Motion RC. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. See y'all next time.